Okay, so thought I'd give you a bit of an update and do a Lego haul video. We are behind here in Turkey, as I've told you before. We kind of don't get our stuff when we're supposed to get our stuff. Sometimes it comes later, sometimes it comes much later. So this is kind of like a mix of May and June that I'm going to do right now. So without further ado, let's see what we've got. First one, I bought some key rings. Let's put that back in and the paper. I have a look at them. Right, I went in to the Lego store and Beza said to me, oh, we've got some key rings. So we got the Mandalorian. We've got Iron Man Infinity Saga keyring. I'm going to display these kind of like the minifigs, maybe, I don't know yet. Well, that's cool. We got Sonic, because I grew up with Sonic the Hedgehog, just because it's Sonic, really. It's the only reason. Okay, so there's Sonic. What else we got? Oh yes. We've got our little Grogu, whatever you want to call him. He's tiny, but very, very cool. So there he is. And then I've got some Disney stuff. Good old Donald. Again, grew up and used to watch him. And still, obviously, he's around. Then we got... I had to do this. I had to get the girlfriend. So there you go. Is it Daisy? That's very cool. So there you go. Daffy. Oh. Goofy, of course. Good old Goofy. I used to love Goofy. Okay. And then Winnie the Pooh, of course. Classic Winnie the Pooh. Really cool. And last but not least, Eeyore. Because I love Eeyore the donkey. So that was the first part. That's over one side. Okay, next. What do we got next? Okay, so this is a brand new set. So yeah, this is Baby Bumpy Ankylosaurus. I just think he's cute. And in the comments, tell me what you think he reminds you of from Fortnite. Just a little bit. Maybe they're going to bring one out. Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. So we've actually got some like pumpkins, some carrots, some vines. So that's in Lego Fortnite. So that's interesting. Okay, maybe this is coming later. So that's one. Then we get on to sets that you guys have probably had for over a month now, but we've just got them in. Despicable Me 4. Minions and the Banana Car. Very cool. I love it. Love the little baby minion. Pit Crew Ron. So it's got AVL Tim, Pit Crew Ron, Mega Minion Dave, and Mel as minifigs. So that's cool. And a nice banana car. And who doesn't like a banana car? And then we've got the Minions Music Party Bus. So we've got a little bus, which is cool. Looks like he's got like just playing music, dancing. So that's going to be awesome. And it has Mega Minion Gus, Dave, Phil, and Mel as minifigs. We've got guitars, we've got speakers, we've got all sorts of stuff going on here. So that's really cool. And it looks like the bus folds up as well. So what more could you ask for? Okay, so there's that one. Then on the Despicable Me, we've got Brick Built Gru and Minions, which I think is awesome. To get brick built, like what's that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 figs, including Gru. That's just great. It's great. Sorry, couldn't resist. So there's that one. Then we got the last one, which is Minions and Gru's Family Mansion. Look at that, that's really cool. I love the details on this. Got the upstairs, got the outside park play area bit. There's all sorts of stuff going on in this one. And with this you get Mega Minion Tim, Mega Minion Mel, Mega Minion Jerry, Gru, Lucy, Gru Jr., Margot, Edith, Agnes. So you get a lot of minifigs in that, which is cool. I like it. So yeah, Gru's house. Love it. Even got the laboratory in the bottom. So that's that done. Back to this month. Lego delivery truck had to be done. I love it because it only has, I think, 2 stickers in the whole set. All the rest are prints. So all that you see there are prints, because I think the only stickers are inside, or maybe it's on the hot dog stand, maybe. But you've got a hot dog stand, you've got a forklift truck. The truck opens up on the side panels. There's also 2 miniature side panels that say Lego. In there, I believe there's like toolboxes and stuff. And then all the pallets have the printed Lego sets on them. So I think it's 3 different, maybe 4 different Lego sets just piled up, which is really cool. Hood lifts up to show you a bit of the engine. The inside's got like the guy's resting area with TV and all the rest of it, so he can hop out, get his hot dog from the hot dog stand and go chill out and watch something on TV. Because when you're driving a truck, don't know if you know, but you shouldn't drive for so many more, I think it's 8 hours or something, without resting up for another 6 or 8, I don't know what the law is these days, but there's that one. Okay. Then we got the Gran Turismo Lamborghini Lambo, which is the, this one is the, what do you call it, car? Not a real car from the game, but it's like Lamborghini's vision of what would come maybe one day. So, don't know if it'll ever become a real car, but it's cool, I like it. Nice colours. So there's that one, Speed Champions. Then we had to get the Speed Champions Mercedes set. Not a Mercedes driver, but I love the G-Wagon. G-Wagon looks really cool in this set. Not so much the SL for me, but the G-Wagon looks really good. I like it. So there's that one, so it's the twin pack. So yeah, that's cool. Then we got a little bit of a Harry Plobber here. We got Buckbeak. I looked at the Mandalorian, God, what the hell's that plant called? Whatever, the plant. But I didn't want it because it doesn't include the sound brick, which I think is a huge mistake by Lego. They should have done the sound brick, and then have a switch for it to be turned on and off, or just remove it. It would have been so easy. You lift up the plant, it screams. You put it back down, it stops screaming. I don't understand why they didn't do it. Very strange. But anyway, so I got Buckbeak. Because I like Buckbeak, and apparently you can pose him in his different poses, like you see on the back of the box here. He's kneeling down after he's accepted Harry, so that's cool. You bow to him, he bows back. Okay, this is that one. Then I saw this on the shelf, which I know is a popular set. So I bought this 3-in-1. It's got like a motel, a tower, all sorts, but you can put them all together to make one big building or different buildings. So it's cool, I like that. Bit of fun. Future plans possibly using this, but we'll see. So there's that one, and you get, I think, 6 minifigs, including the little guy in the wheelchair, which is cool. Yeah, so that's really nice. Not sure which set I'm going to build. And then we come to, oh my god, Barad-Dur, which you can't see because it's too big. I have got Rivendell. I haven't built it. Love Lord of the Rings, and this is an incredible set. It really is an incredible set. I've watched tons of videos, the interview with the designers. Each like bit slides out modular, which is cool. There's a light actually on the eye. And the interior was basically down to them at Lego to design, because obviously there is no interiors inside Barad-Dur in the films, so that was quite cool to see them getting a little bit of free design time with that. So yeah, and this one comes, I think it's with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think it's 10. Yeah, 10 minifigs, which you can see. Oof, there's the 10 minifigs. So nice, really nice. I'm looking forward to doing that build. Oh my god. Okay. And then I think, of course, you already know, but I better mention just in case. I got Daily Bugle, I got Sanctum Sanctorum, and the Avengers building, which I got a little while before. I'm not sure if I actually said that. So yeah, that's the latest haul. And I've been busy. I've built a couple of sets. One is the retro radio, which I bought as well with this lot. I forgot to mention that. Video's coming soon. It's in the background. You can see it there. Really cool little set that is. What else is it? I built a huge, oh yeah, the Dungeons and Dragons set. I've done all the filming and the introduction, but I haven't done the review part because it's gone somewhere, which I'll tell you later. I need to go visit a place, do some photos and a little bit of a video, and then I'll show you where it's gone and what happened to it. So I can't really do the end review on it. It was a bit of a last minute panic, but anyway, like, subscribe, tell me what you want to build out of this lot. I mean, there's a lot there to take in. Let me know what you think would be a good one to build next. Beza, thank you. Not only has she done me a pirate, but I've now got a witch. So I'm gonna hide these in builds, I think. See if you can spot them or something. Maybe I take a picture and it zooms across the screen and you say what minute, second, blah blah blah, just a bit of interactivity to the videos. But anyway, I digress. Like, subscribe if you could, would be nice, but chucking a like and commenting whether you thought it was a rubbish video or a good video. Let me know if you want to see more stuff like this, and also let me know what should I build next. See you later. Have a nice day and a lovely summer.